Practice the next pranayam, which is known as Nadi Shodhana. It is a very popular one. It comprises of again two words, Nadi and Shodhana. The word Nadi means a tubular organ through which the air or prana passes throughout the body, and it channelizes to almost all the body cells. It's like a vein or artery kind of an organ. So as we say in yoga practice, we open up the channels so that prana circulation is smooth and easy without any kind of blockages. And Shodhana is, the meaning is purification. Shodhana is Shuddha. So purification of the Nadi. So it's like removing all the blockages. Again, we sit in the same posture of Ujjayi Pranayam, the way chest upright, then creating a Jalandhar Bandh. Here, the left hand remains in the Jnana Mudra, whereas the right hand, we create a Nasika Mudra. So, Nasika Mudra, again, stretch all the 5 fingers. The first, the index and the middle finger bent. The ring finger and the pinky together touches the thumb, creating a loop. So now the ring finger and the pinky, they rest on the left nostril, this curvature of the left. Please ensure that there are no nails. You need to remove the nails. Otherwise this is very sensitive. It may give you a cut here and can be more painful. So this remains rested on the left nostril, whereas the thumb on the right. So Jalandhar Bandh again. Now before starting, I exhale and remove the impure or all the toxic air from my lungs and create a space in the lungs for the pure air. So I breathe in the right nostril, the left is shut with a little pressure. Now I shut the right with the help of the thumb. I close the right nostril, I open the left nostril and breathe out. Once the breathing is done, once I breathe out, again I breathe in. The breathing in process, remember, it's known as Purak. There is no holding here, so there is no Kumbha. Immediately I breathe out from the right. This is Rechak. One more time. That was one cycle. Now the second cycle. Purak, breathing out the left nostril. I breathe in to the left. Breathe out to the right. Once you mastered the breathing, more maintaining proper timing for breathing out and breathing in, you can then hold the breath and stay in Kumbhak. Both you can practice Antara Kumbhak as well as Bahya Kumbhak. And when you are in Kumbhak, then of course you have to create a Mula Bandh too. So that was Nadi Shodhana Pranayam.